Hey, how's it going, Yusa? I'm just working on there's like this new swing rope mechanic that I've added. It works pretty well. I'm just trying to like polish it a bit to make it look slightly more aesthetically pleasing. Damn, it's 6 a.m. Are you just waking up or going to sleep soon? Yeah, I've slowed down the game to see what exactly is going on here. Like, it seems like it's not transitioning well. And we are too close. What we're doing here on radius is we're checking if the distance is greater than 5, which is I think what we should do, instead of saying radius position, we're gonna have to check which direction we're going into. So on the start, distance 2, we'll see if it's like positive or negative on the x and y, and then we'll see if it's greater than whatever those values are. Yeah, the transition doesn't look good. Here, let's see. Let me look at it one more time. So we make the player invisible when they jump in. And yeah. I don't know if you noticed, but like right there, we kind of just pushed this little thing, or we kind of like teleported it, and that's because we have like this 5 pixel like margin of error. But yeah, ideally we'd want to like calculate the distance or calculate the direction first. I think there's one other issue. And it's the fact that as long as we're not grabbing the global position, I think we should actually be fine. We're always making it go to vector 2.right. Think about this. What we could do is based on the player's direction, if they are on the left side, so if we need to clean up some of this code, but if it's less than 0, then we'll set it to this. Else radius position is going to be vector 2.left. That'll clean that a bit. Let's try this. We can grab the absolute value of this. So we'll say if absolute value of this dot x is greater than, oh wait, we'll say this: if attach shape node dot position dot x minus our radius position dot x is greater than let's say, honestly, we can leave it at like 0.1. Grab the absolute value of this. No, it would have to be positive, Turbine. Do I know any good documentations or tutorials related to position and rotation? Honestly, all I do is search up like the docs on like the default docs on Godot. So I mean, you could look up position here, position size, all of the Node 2D methods and properties. When it comes to position, honestly, it's pretty basic, I would say. If you like have any questions, I could try answering them. No specific questions, but in general, local positions and global positions. So like, I mean, global position is what's your position based on like your main scene. So like if I ran this here, my local position, so like my attach shape node, its position is relative to the parent node over here. So like if I move this here to, let's say 10, this would be 0, 10 as a position. But then if we were to bring this to the world node, it would be like, you know, somewhere over here at 5,270. Or a little lower, like somewhere around here. If our radius position dot x minus our attached node position is greater than 0.1, now let's see how this looks. Alright, that's a lot more cleaner. But that was from the left side. Let me make sure the right side looks clean as well. Yeah, that's better. Did we mess up with our rotations? Seems like we're dashing out from the wrong side now. Yeah, what the hell? What did we just do? We did mess with radius position. I wonder if that's what's screwing us over. Honestly, we could leave it at vector 2 dot right. Right, let me just make sure. Yeah, okay. It's good now. There might be one bug, and that's if we escape too early, we might hit the same hitbox. Like, actually, it might not even be possible. Yeah, it's fine. I do want to make it as clean as possible. Like, if we want to, like, for speedrunners, I want to make sure that they can get to their destination as quick as possible. So, like, typically, these rope things are going to put, like, they want to push you, like, up right or up left for the most part. So, like, from the start, we immediately start from the top and we go counterclockwise. I'm wondering if we should start maybe from the bottom if we start on the bottom. Or, like, yeah, start from the bottom if we come from the left, and let's see what happens on this side. Yeah, the right side is pretty clean, but the left side, you kind of have some delay. Two streams in one day, yeah. We getting a little, maybe too ahead of ourselves today. But yeah, today for this stream, I'm probably just gonna do some more polishing rather than, like, I mean, the mechanic itself is fine. I do think we need to figure out, like, what's our max distance with this thing, and if it's consistent or not. Seems like it is. Let's try this. Yeah, we'll try out some, like, level design, examples with these. I'm probably not going to actually design any rooms today, but I do want to see, like, its potential. All right, man. I'll see you. Yeah, honestly, dude, I really like this mechanic. It's pretty satisfying. We do need to fix some of the. It seems like it doesn't register the hitbox right away. Like sometimes I'll notice that our player doesn't go invisible after like a good 0.2 seconds. It might be. Wait, let's see something. It might be because we're in the neutral state, and this only registers when we're in the fall or jump state. So we'll have to fix that. And I think we should be allowed to click out of this or dash out of it. Right now, we have to press the jump button. All right. Oh, so it's not actually our hitbox that handles the transition. It's just that we need to make sure that we can go into the rope swing animation or rope swing state from any other state. So right now it's only in the jump and fall. Let's put it in the dash, and we're going to also put it in the neutral. Let's see where that is. Fall, bounce. I think we'd want it in the bounce as well. I'm just going to copy and paste all of these. The bounce, jump, move, not necessarily true. We have it in our dash already. It shouldn't technically ever happen in our neutral state. But we could be in the neutral state from like another rope, and then like it'll keep us in the neutral state, and we could push ourselves back into it. So as long as it doesn't like override while we're still inside of the inside of the rope. So like it could technically happen if we jump out immediately. Oh no, but it's fine. think there's one other issue, and that's our speeds aren't consistent with each other. So like the momentum of our, like as we exit the rope state, it's like around 200, and then when we jump out, or like once that that neutral state ends, it seems like we have less friction. So we're moving slow for a split second, and then we're able to catch our speed again. I don't know if I'm tripping. Let's see. Honestly, it might be fine. Let's see. No, never mind. Oh, so there's one other issue, and that's with the controller. I think we're gonna want another button to change direction. So right now we're using move left or move right. So if I press right, we go clockwise. If I press left, we go counterclockwise. I think as an instinct with controller, you're probably gonna want to press left to go left, but that changes your direction, so it, like, might screw people over. What I'll do is we'll probably press Y instead, to switch it around. Unless I do this, let me see. I mean, for the most part, we won't have rooms that look like this. There's usually only going to be like one or two in a room. But yeah, I think it'd be better if we switch to Y. Go into while in state. What do we use, activate or interact? I think we use interact input. No, we don't. Activate. Yeah, we'll try activate input. And I think we'll want to show, move this closer. We'll want to show that the player has the ability to press it, so we're going to have to update our dynamic buttons here too. That's most definitely not what we wanted. Wait, we do originally. Just manage grab UI. Grab UI node. Oh, grab UI, okay. Alright, there we go. If we switch the controller, it doesn't seem to update actually. Let's see. Alright, it does update when we decide to show it again. Honestly, that's not much of a problem. Dude, this is so much fun. Just to like mess around with. Oh, we do need to make sure that we can... Technically, we're not supposed to die in this state. I don't think there's ever going to be a case where I allow that to happen, but in case the player does press restart, I should let them die. So go into our state logic again. Just grab death. Death health is less than or greater than, or less than or equal to 0. Same with teleport. Alright, cool. So we'll leave that as that. Let's see what else we can mess with. I wanted this to be like a full polishing stream, so that might involve me doing some level design. Or we can edit some sounds. I think it's this one. Yeah, cooking. Okay. No, I feel like that's gonna get it's gonna get annoying really fast. Honestly, this one's not too bad. We also need like a rope swinging sound, but I don't think I have that in this asset pack. Unless there's one here. Honestly, I kind of like this one. This would be like a transition sound though. We still need something to loop through, but I will save this one here. Let's copy it. Call this enter swinging rope. Let's see what else they got. Damn, all these suck. Musical themes? No, I doubt we're gonna find something that's loopable. But yeah, we could stick to this one. I just need to modify the sound a bit. Do I have Audacity on here? And we'll download that real quick. It's only the beginning that we're concerned with, so I think we can just get rid of this part. I wouldn't know how to make these, like, I wouldn't know how to combine the two unless I, like, I don't know, maybe flip this one over. We could just leave it like this for now. We also run it at, like, a much higher pitch. Let me try this. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. Good enough, at least. Oh, thanks, Gargoost. Oh, I'm glad you like it. Yeah, so far I've been enjoying it. We're supposed to be doing some polishing, but I keep getting caught up just playing around with it. we can like switch directions. The only issue with this new mechanic is that it's like it's not consistent with the rest of the game. So like usually we're bound to 8 directions, like up, left, down, right, down, left, etc., etc. But with this one, you can go in any direction. But honestly, I might keep it that way, because otherwise the animation wouldn't look nearly as cool. Looks like a paper plane too. Yeah, kinda. Can you take damage? Technically yes, but like I don't think there are going to be instances where you will take damage. Like in order for you to take damage, there would have to be like a. I mean, maybe I can try it out, but let's see. Like if I were to put this right here and then a bunch of spikes on this side. Like you can definitely take damage if it's like if you exit the state and you get thrown into it, or you like accidentally click out of it. But like to be inside, like you would have to. You know what? Let's just stop talking and see what happens. To time the circles, yeah. I mean, yeah, you can exit whenever. So like there's a split second, you might see that like it kind of goes into a spiral where it starts out in the center, then it starts to expand. So let's see. Oh, fuck. So, I mean, yeah, technically it would work. Like I would have to jump out before I hit the spikes. We could honestly, I want to try something. Like we can get really, it could get really hard. Where like, here, let's try this. Like it could be like a maze, and you have to be like super clean with it. I think the max distance is 32, so that's 1, 2, yeah, right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that. Although, okay, so the only issue is that you would have to escape from like down here. So I don't know. This would be kind of hard. Well, it most definitely wouldn't be like this would have to be wider, but at the same time, like if it's any, unless I mess with the hitboxes here, or like I make this like right now the max radius is 32 pixels. And depending on where you come from, so like if you come from the left side or from the right side, it goes counterclockwise. If you go from the right side, it's clockwise. So we'd have to figure out what to do there. Yeah, it would be pretty hard. But yeah, I mean, I could still punish the player for missing, so like... They don't have to die while they're in it, they can just die if they miss, like, this little spot right here. And they can't be adjacent, they would have to look like that. Yeah, I would want to make a challenge. Like, this would definitely be a mechanic in the later levels. I am going to introduce it into the into the demo, but I don't want to make people rage just yet. Yeah, I have to mess around with it a bit. The thing is, switching from counterclockwise to clockwise is really hard. Or like, yeah, switching your direction is really hard. Like, I don't think you have enough time to do it. But yeah, in the later levels, for sure. I might switch this to the B button. Right now I'm pressing Y to go back and forth, but... Let's see. We'd have to go Y to get up here, then like that. We'll figure it out, But for now, let's see what else we can do. I'm probably going to do some level design tomorrow. We also have the airlift, like elevator, quote unquote mechanic. It's not like anything crazy, but I think we could do some creative stuff with it. Are spikes the only hazards? I do have other objects that can kill you in the game, but I haven't really, I haven't added them to the demo. So yeah, we could put spikes all throughout here. Yeah, this could be a very fun level. Also, very difficult one. Like, I'm imagining that there would be spikes in that little area there. Or like on all the walls. Guess maybe we do have to get rid of these tiles here. And then yeah, would it like we'd have to add more sections like this. Maybe add like a spring here so that they can catch the next one. Stuff like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Honestly, I feel like I should give them the option to either go from the top or the bottom. Oh, true. I could add like a little circle. It's actually not a bad idea. Is there a circle object in Godot? Can you draw stuff in the editor? Oh yeah, you can. The tool script. Honestly, I have no, make a separate node 2D child. Here, let's try it out. How would you mark it as a tool? I have to do this right here. Oh, whoops. Point count. Oh. Okay. The center is 0? Okay. Do that. So should I see a circle now? Or, oh, color goes after, okay. Oh, wait. Oh, whoops. Start angle and angle. I can make it editor only. What do you mean at the start? Where is that? On engine? Oh, oh, okay. I just got what you meant. Okay. Like that? Thank you, thank you. But then what? How do I actually make it draw? Oh, there we go. Awesome. Thank you. I was just gonna put like a... Honestly, I could have just put another hitbox right there just to see it and then cue free it, but this works too. Probably better than this. Okay. Is this 4 tiles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Honestly, I think we're at... Cue free if it isn't in the editor. Okay. We did it as 32, but I think it might be 38. Actually, wait. Let's see. Oh, never mind. Okay. Thanks, Crazy Stewie. Thanks for all the help, man. I also check for collision shapes. So usually collision shapes are like they automatically show, but I can make them show regardless if I wanted them to. Like on these they don't show, but I'm guessing I could. Oh right, yeah. Oh wait, no, not this one. Visible collision shapes. Yeah, it does make my game lag a bit though. When I show all of the collision shapes. Honestly, this might be too hard. We were planning on adding spikes here, but who the hell in their right mind is going to be able to catch them? Alright, I'll see you, Crazy Stewie. Thanks again. I mean, it is possible. I think for now, like in one of the earlier levels, we'll just make it. We'll just put spikes on like the bottom and top, but in the middle, it should have some leeway here, like that. Alright. We'll leave it at that for now. I'm trying to think how we could, like, use these air things in our game. Honestly, it might just be more of an aesthetic thing that we have in our game. So I can't think of, like, a cool mechanic to use with them. But yeah, I think we'll leave it at that. We didn't get much done today, but actually no, we didn't get much done on this stream, but at least we know the mechanic works, and I guess tomorrow we'll start working on the level design again. Let me see if we could find someone to raid. No one's online right now. No one's online right now. Alright, Hey, how's it going, Neo? We're just about to end the stream.
This Christmas season,
I'm just looking for someone to raid. Damn, why does everyone have ads on their streams?
Wing of bat and foot of crow, eagle's egg and seagull's jaw.
It's not that piece either. There's another one somewhere with teeth on top of it. I don't remember where though.
Wing of bat and foot of crow, eagle's egg and seagull's jaw. It's a horseman.
Alright, we'll just raid these guys.
Maybe it was this one.
Alright. Peace, everyone. Till next time.